Welcome to MyRobot.cloud. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to set up a new pattern. Start by clicking the plus icon on the Patterns card. First, we need to select a product for the pattern. You can either create a new product by clicking New or select one from your inventory. I'll go ahead and choose one of my existing products, then click Next. MyRobot.cloud will automatically suggest a pattern based on your product. Use the arrow buttons on each side of the pattern illustration to browse through multiple suggestions. At the top, you'll see key metrics for each pattern: number of boxes, total height, total weight, number of layers, pallet efficiency, and center of mass height. Let's begin by giving the pattern a name. You can also add a description. Next, choose the pallet type. In this example, we'll use the EU1 pallet. We also need to choose a stacking method. Choose from column stack, rotate stack, mirror vertical, and mirror horizontal. I'll go with rotate stack for this pattern. Next, enter the number of layers you want. Note that the pattern metrics above the illustration automatically updates as you're doing changes to the pattern. Now decide how the labels should face. If you want all labels facing outward, select that option. If efficiency is your priority, choose Optimized. The software will arrange boxes in the most efficient way, regardless of label direction. If you'd like to allow overhang on the pallet, adjust it here. Overhang determines how far the boxes can extend beyond the edge of the pallet. You can also add product padding here. Let's say we need 4 millimeters of padding. You'll see that this affects the pattern. To compensate, we'll allow for 6 millimeters of overhang, and the pattern adjusts automatically. Remember, you can click and drag to rotate the 3D view and right-click and drag to move it around. If your process has a specific speed requirement, you can enter the desired cases per minute here. This won't affect the pattern itself. It's only used during simulation to check whether the speed goal is met. And lastly, max grip defines how many boxes the cobot can pick up at once. Pally will calculate this automatically based on the product weight, size, the chosen pattern, and your hardware setup. If you need to limit the grip, you can set a value here. Otherwise, we recommend keeping it on auto. Need more control? Click Confirm and Customize to make advanced adjustments. We'll cover that in part 2 of this tutorial. For now, we're happy with the result, so we'll click Confirm to save the pattern. Now you'll see all of your saved patterns listed here. You can export the pattern as a JSON file here to upload to your Pally-powered palletizer. Click the 3 dots on the right to duplicate, view, and download the full report. Start a simulation of the pattern, or delete it. To return to the main screen, click Dashboard in the sidebar. Thanks for watching, and thank you for using MyRobot.cloud.